All right. Sorry. What's up, guys? Hey, welcome back. Um, and today, um, I'm gonna be sorry. Um, sorry. Um, oh my God, come on. I'm gonna be doing another cooking video for y'all. Um, and today I'm gonna be cooking an omelette, but I mean, the one that I'm gonna cook today might be a little different from the one you might make, or might be the same. I don't know, but um, nevertheless, um, let's go. Uh, anyway, here we go. As you can see, I've got my stuff together. Here, I've got some wild rocket, some meatballs, uh, sliced ham, some eggs. I usually I usually add 3 eggs to my omelettes, um, which some of you might say that is a little overkill, but you know, it's what I do. That's me. And I've got some mixed herbs, some garlic. I should I should try to hide the brands. Don't want to get in trouble. Uh, but anyway, I'll try to cover that with my fingers if I pick them up. But anyway, in here I've got some freshly chopped cheese, rocket, and tomato, and the meatballs. I'm obviously not gonna just throw in whole. I'm gonna chop those up into smaller bits, and then once that's done, uh, I'll beat the eggs up in a bowl, and then chuck all the shit in there together with the eggs, with the egg mixture, and pour it all in the pan, and voila, voila. Uh, um, so, uh, just looking for somewhere to put the phone. Um, Here will do. There we go. That'll do. Okay. Um, I'll get a bowl for the eggs then, I guess. I was out yesterday and I was climbing. I was doing some parkour and I was climbing walls and shit, and I fucked my knee up. Every time I stretch it, I'm like, oh, damn. But anyway, enough about me and my antics. Let's get on with this. Okay, so I guess I'll do the eggs. There's one. There's two. There's three. And now I'll beat them up. That should do. Now I'll chop these up. When I get into them. Why is it so hard to open a packet of fucking meatballs? Oh, fuck it. Now these aren't anything special. These meatballs, they're just supermarket ones, but it's what you do with them that matters, right? It's what you make with them. And I guess I could make my own, but I can't be bothered. So I'll cut these into threes, or fours, or whatever. So obviously I won't use the whole lot. And another thing about cutting meat up, or potato, or whatever, is if you cut it smaller, it will cook quicker because it's not as thick. So therefore, temperature. It will just all cook evenly. If it's smaller, it'll take less. It will take less. It won't take as long. So anyway, there's the meatballs. I'll just put them on there, and then I was thinking of doing like something with chicken, but what was I thinking of doing? I think it was like a curry or something, but turn this on. I should have heated that up already. But yeah, I was thinking of doing like a curry with chicken in it. Um, and some people put in, when they're cooking curries, they put quite big bits of chicken in, but as they into the mix, the curry. But I usually cut all my meat up really small, because as the and well as a by doing that you have less chance of finding a big piece of raw meat at the end, because if you have big pieces of meat in, I mean like huge pieces, you'll end up with meat that's, and it'll be raw. It'll be fucking raw. It's fucking raw. Gordon Ramsay would say. But yeah, maybe that, or a cottage pie. Um, I thought, I thought I'd start the channel off by doing a couple of I can't speak today. A couple of cooking vlogs, but um, and well, one thing I've always wanted to do is to create an urban exploring, is to do some urban exploring, being urban explorer, um, slash parkourer. Um, and a bit of ghost hunting. I mean, I could go and do anything really, but work in a garage or be a bricklayer. But nah, that's not for me. I've never wanted to do that, or it's never even crossed my mind, not once. But anyway, put the egg, put all of this in there. Which, those things I'd love to do, particularly urban exploring. I'd love to do that. That's nothing seems more cool in my mind than that. Because I look at these other YouTubers, and they go to these amazing places, and they do things there, and I'm just so jealous. It's really cool. I'd love to do that. And one thing I'd like, and it's all right doing things by yourself, but you know, um, hopefully in the future I'll have someone to do that with. I've got a friend, and hopefully he'll do something with me someday. I'd love that. I mean, it was his birthday not so long ago, and I just got him some stuff, and well, I was rather generous with my givings. One thing I gave unintentionally, but so he can make it up to me one day. I'm joking. But anyway, I'll put this into the pan. But I would love to do stuff with him though. And I'm hoping he'd agree with that. But anyway, there's the omelette cooking. And if you look, and I noticed that the cooking vlog I did got quite a few views, so I guess you all like that. So I'll see you next time.